Good morning, everyone. I hope you are well and have a wonderful day. It's Thursday, November 25th, 2021. It's around 10 am and the temperature is 28 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. In this video, you will watch Thanlyin Tour. Let's enjoy watching the video. Now we are at Thanlyin city. Thanlyin is a major port city of Myanmar located across Bago River from the city of Yangon. Thanlyin township comprises 17 quarters and 28 village tracts. It is home to the largest port in the country, Thiloa Port. Total area of this city is 350.5 square kilometers. Thanlyin first came to prominence in the 15th century as the major port city of the Hamthawadi kingdom, replacing a silted up Bago port. In 1539, the city became part of the kingdom of Tangu. In 1599, the city fell to the Rakhine forces led by the Portuguese mercenary Filipe de Brito y Nicoti, who was made governor of the city. De Brito declared independence from his nominal Rakhine masters in 1603, defeated the invading Rakhine navy in 1604 and 1605 and successfully established Portuguese rule. Thanlyin remained the major port of the Tangu kingdom until the mid-18th century. In the 1740s, Thanlyin was made the base of the French East India Company for their help in the Mons re-establishment of Hamthawadi kingdom. The arrangement lasted until 1756 when King Olongpai of Kongbong dynasty captured the city. From then on, the importance has shifted to Yangon across the river, which Olongpai founded just a year earlier. Thanlyin became part of the British Empire in 1852 after the Second Anglo-Burmese War. The British made the city into the oil refinery center of the country in the early 20th century to process the oil shipped from central Burma. The refinery was destroyed during Second World War. The Thanlyin refinery was rebuilt in 1957 and underwent expansion in 1979 with Japanese assistance. In 1979, a pipeline was completed between Siriam and the Man oil field. Since the 1990s, the city has undergone major changes. Thanlyin was finally connected to Yangon by road in 1993 when the Thanlyin Bridge was built. In the late 1990s, Thiloa Port was built to handle the container ships away from Yangon's ports. The city is home to a national university in Myanmar Maritime University and local universities in the University of East Yangon and Technological University Thanlyin. The city's population has increased from 43,000 in 1983 to 123,000 in 1996. What a peaceful place and the atmosphere. Thanlyin is connected to the country's fledgling highway network. The Thanlyin Bridge carries Highway 6, which links Yangon with the Thiloa Port and Thanlyin Industrial Zone. The Thanlyin Bridge 2, under construction since 2003, will link Thanlyin to Highway 2, the Yangon-Mandalay Highway. River ferries to the Irrawaddy Delta over the 20 Canal are available from Yangon's passenger ports. Nice gentle breeze blowing around and perfect weather condition today. The road is neat and clean, surrounded with green trees on both sides. Thiloa Port is the largest deep-water seaport in the country and handles the majority of the ship imports and exports. Some shops and houses beside the road. This is the entrance of the pagoda. Let's see the pagoda. Nice view of the city. Thanlyin is approximately 15 km far from downtown Yangon. You can come here by bus number 31. Bus fare is 300 Myanmar kyat. In Thanlyin, you can find lots of motorbikes and drivers. Motorbike is one of the popular transport here. This is a landmark of the city. This is a monastery in the neighborhood. This is a local park. Well organized, neat and clean, wide street. The traffic system is well organized. This is one of the wonderful monastery in the neighborhood named Pyan. Passengers wait here for the bus. This is the view of Bago River. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.